First impressions matter, especially in a professional environment. Clean office furniture not only enhances your workspace's look, but also contributes to a healthier atmosphere. In today's video, we'll explore the best upholstery cleaning methods for your office. Let's get started. Did you know that regular upholstery cleaning helps reduce allergens, dust, and germs? These can build up quickly on chairs and sofas, impacting air quality and employee well-being. A clean workspace boosts productivity and morale, creating an inviting environment for everyone. Now, let's break down the top upholstery cleaning methods you can choose for your office furniture. First up is steam cleaning. This method not only removes surface stains, but penetrates deep into the fabric, breaking down dirt and allergens. It's perfect for high-traffic areas like reception couches. Next, we have foam cleaning. This method uses minimal water and is great for light stains on office chairs and cubicles. Dry cleaning is perfect for delicate fabrics like leather or silk. It uses special solutions to dissolve dirt without moisture, protecting your high-end furnishings. Lastly, encapsulation cleaning is a newer method that crystallizes dirt for easy removal. It's fast drying and leaves no residue, making it perfect for busy offices. When selecting a cleaning service, consider the following tips. Choose a method based on your furniture type. Look for companies experienced in commercial furniture cleaning. Opt for services that use safe, eco-friendly products. Find a service that accommodates your office hours to minimize disruption. Maintaining clean office furniture is essential for a healthy workplace. For expert cleaning services tailored to your needs, consider Premium Clean. A clean office is a productive office. Keep your workspace fresh with regular upholstery cleaning. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on maintaining a healthy workspace.